शशश्यामलं मातरं वन्दे मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता सुवर्णशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरवासिनी शुभरं वरदं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे
Abhinav from IV Coral has come with yours. Red survey has Ronaldo goes quietly into the night. Thank you. Today weather report is brought to you by Vishal of IV Coral. Weather report. Minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy day. This is Ramcharan from IV Coral has produced you the next news. PM Narendra Modi, Russia visit 5 areas to watch closely enjoy. Good morning to all. This is Nandini from Grade 4 Coral. Has both you stay tuned. Organs harvested from two brains dead then donated to patients. Thank you. Happy morning to all. Today international and nationally brought you by Vidya from Grade 4 Coral. International news. Russia missiles kill 36 in Ukraine. Thank you. Happy morning to all. Today birthday is brought to you by Shloka from Grade 4 Coral. Word above, which means combine, add something. Please friends repeat after me. Above. A-B-S-O-R. Above. Thank you. Today, happy morning to all. Today's part is brought to you by Series of Grade 4 Coral. Part. The future depends on what you do today. Which means